In the tranquil early morning light, a mother wood duck descends gracefully to a serene lake to meet her 8 precious ducklings. It seems that today is their first day out of their nest. With eyes filled with wonder and hearts bound by love, they begin their journey together, a family united in nature's embrace. In this magical moment, we witness the miracle of life, the enduring bond of family, and the beauty of a mother's love. The mother would duck gracefully guiding her 8 adorable ducklings through the calm waters. With each gentle stroke of her webbed feet, she sets the pace, leading her fluffy brood on an enchanting journey. The ducklings mirror her every move, learning the art of navigation in this watery world. She watches over them with unwavering love, teaching them the secrets of survival in this tranquil haven. Amidst the laughter and playful splashes, a bond of family grows stronger with every passing moment. And in this serene dance upon the water, we witness the beauty of a mother's guidance and the joy of a family's journey. In the heart of this picturesque lake, a mother and her babies create memories that will last a lifetime. Two days later, the mother wood duck and her 8 ducklings return to the same tranquil lake. They've grown, their bond deepening as they explore this picturesque haven together once again. In this timeless dance upon the water, the enduring love of a mother and the joy of a family's journey continue to shine.
Yeah, perché era troppo male. Che sai?
They swim with purpose, guided by an instinctive knowledge of their regular hiding place. Underneath this natural canopy, they find solace, safety, and a sense of home. Her love and vigilance remain unwavering as they gather beneath the sheltering embrace of the arching tree. 2 wood duck families come together to share their journey. In unity and harmony, they explore the tranquil waters, learning from each other and embracing nature's beauty. Side by side, these families forge a bond that celebrates the joys of togetherness. In this shared moment on the serene lake, love and kinship shine bright. Wood duck families of all sizes share the tranquil waters. In their intimate journey, this duo finds joy in their unique bond. Amidst other wood duck families, they celebrate the beauty of love and togetherness in their own special way. In this serene setting, all families create cherished memories, united by the wonders of nature. As the wood duck families explore the tranquil lake, they stumble upon an unexpected sight, an osprey nest, perched high above. Despite the imposing presence, it seems they share this serene space with grace and harmony. Under the watchful gaze of the osprey, these families find joy in each other's company, proving that harmony can prevail. In this remarkable encounter, they celebrate the beauty of unity and acceptance, even in the presence of a majestic neighbor. Under the benevolent eyes of the osprey, these wood duck families create enduring memories, reminding us of the peaceful coexistence that nature can offer. 10 days later, a remarkable transformation has taken place in our wood duck family. The 8 ducklings, nurtured by their devoted mother, have become strong, graceful swimmers, embracing the beauty of their world. In this evolving journey, we witness the beauty of growth, unity, and the enduring love of a mother. In the heart of this picturesque lake, a mother and her now-grown ducklings celebrate the wonder of life's continuous journey. While the wood duck family peacefully roams the lake, an unexpected guest arrives, a fellow wood duck. In a protective display of love, she defends her 8 ducklings and their sanctuary. Her unwavering love ensures the safety of her young ones. In this heartwarming moment, her bond with her ducklings grows even stronger. In the heart of this picturesque lake, a mother's love prevails, ensuring her ducklings thrive against all odds. In the embrace of nature's beauty, we witness the enduring strength of family, the wonders of growth, and the boundless love of a mother. As they continue their journey, may we too find inspiration in their story, a reminder of the beauty that surrounds us and the love that unites us all. As we reach the end of our story, thank you for joining us, for embracing the beauty of nature, and for celebrating the bonds of family. A heartfelt thank you for being a part of this adventure.